Yippee!
It's June 2025.
Let's make a calendar. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
What day of the week is it today?
Great job! Today is Thursday,
June 12th, 2025.
Fill in the missing day and date.
Thursday.
12th.
Great job!
Mark any special days this month. Choose a picture for your calendar.